Welcome to the EasyFern accounting instructions and freight tracking tutorial. Let's start by entering your username and password to log in. Once logged in, go to the top left menu and click My Orders. Use the filter section by changing the payment and order status, or by entering the EasyFern order ID or your own PO number to find your desired order. Click Review to load. When they have loaded, you will see the payment and shipped status, the order information, all product and service pricing including the total paid and total owed, an option to view the order which allows you to send an email to yourself or an appropriate accounts person, or download a PDF invoice to print. And finally, a facility where you can nominate multiple orders for one payment, either through EFT or credit card. If you are paying by EFT, please always send a remittance slip to accounts@easyfern.com.au, detailing all PO numbers that were paid. If an order has been shipped by an express carrier, you can track freight by clicking the Shipped Track Progress. This feature allows you to track your order to view the proof of delivery slip. Want to learn more? Here are some other videos that might come in handy.